Hello everybody, welcome to this week's project demonstration. Today we're going to be learning how to make a homemade star projector. Besides your Ohana guide, you're going to need a few things. You're going to need an empty toilet paper roll, only the inner core. You're going to need scissors and a rubber band, and also access to a dark room. If you turn to the next page on your Ohana guide, you're going to see 4 different cutouts you could choose from, each of them with a different constellation. Feel free to choose any one of these you want, or even do multiple if you want. And then once you decided what you want to do, grab your scissors and cut out the dotted square around the constellation. Once you've finished cutting out your shape, you want to take that square you just cut out and place it over the edge of your toilet paper roll. What you want is for the black circle to be lined up with the toilet paper roll's opening. Once you get it lined up as closely as you can, you want to then take the edges of the paper and fold it over the sides of the toilet paper roll and try to press it down as much as you can. Then you want to take your rubber band and put it around the sides of the paper to attach it to the toilet paper roll. If your rubber band is too big and loose, such that it's not a tight fit and doesn't hold the paper in place, you're going to have to loop it over itself so that it's kind of doubled over and everything's tight and stuck in place. You could then take something sharp, like a toothpick for example, and make holes wherever you see white dots on your constellation paper. Then you could now take your finished projector and a flashlight and go to a dark room. And then you take your flashlight and put it into the end of the projector that has no paper on it and turn on the flashlight. And then you could point it towards the wall or towards the roof and you could observe the constellation that you just made. That was all for this week's project demonstration. I hope you guys had a great time.